Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix audio not recording on GoPro Mission 1 Pro camera. Start by swiping down the control center, navigate to the fourth page on the list, and here select the main track, find camera mix. Now, if you want to see how your microphone captures audio, go to Audiometer and enable it. This will not fix your issue by itself, but it will let you see how your microphone is recording your audio currently. Then in gain, check GoPro. If GoPro isn't working well enough for you, use AGC, and if AGC isn't working well, go to manual and try increasing the gain of your camera. Now, the more decibels you add, the better you will be able to hear yourself, but also adding too many decibels will distort the sound recording. So you can increase the gain by several decibels. This will be enough. Return back to your camera and try recording the video. And right now you should be able to hear yourself very clearly, even from a distance. If we stop the recording and check it, and right now you should be able to hear yourself very clearly, even from a distance. We'll be able to hear the sound, and if you still can't hear no sound, try simply restarting your camera by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds, then turning it back on, and then recording the video once again. And if you can still hear no sound, try updating firmware. We have a separate video on our channel where I explain how to do that step by step. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.